Okay, welcome back. We are on part 2 of the Walthers concrete grain elevator. Unfortunately, our phone was still messing up a little bit. I finally got it fixed. But a lot of this is going to be done in pictures to get us to this point. But I'll just show you a couple things on this. When gluing the roof on, there's 2 tabs right there on the inside. I don't know how well you can see it. There you go, you can kind of see it. In the corners, they need trimmed back about 1/8 on each side, otherwise they do not line up. And the overhang will be way too much on the inside. So once I trim that, I glue it there. Then right here on these tabs, get it all lined up so that the roof line is equal all the way along from that middle tab. And everything went well after that. So just one little thing on the HO one. I don't know if the N scale one has the same problem. A lot of fine sanding that still needs done on some of the grayish parts. I'm not going to glue any of the big gray pieces to the big white pieces because I want to weather them. And I want to weather them differently. Let me take this off. And I drop everything. But luckily I glued it well. Unlike some builders, they edit all their stuff out. I keep my mistakes in, like dropping stuff and gluing the wrong parts on and taking them off. Just to show, yes, I'm human. Plus, it's kind of hard for me to edit because I don't know where I'm saying what in my videos. But the one on the opposite side is about the same. One thing, the hardest part is getting these cages that go on here. These little cages. And gluing them around these. That's what I'm going to do next. I'll have some pictures of that. But let me put all this back together. Just one last time. One, I need a photo for the cover of the video. And 2, just to give you a little bit more tour. There will be a 3rd video, even though it says this is a 2-part, but it'll be a generic video for just painting and weathering all the model kits. So it's not really going to be included in this, and I knock it over again. Be sure to check out our website, moosesworkshop.com. Our Facebook page is Moose's Workshop. Our email, PayPal, whatever you need is Darth_Moose74@yahoo.com. I keep shifting this over. It'd be easier if I wasn't holding my phone. Good enough. Okay. And this I just have resting over here. Because that's got to be glued on there. When I do paint, I'm going to try painting all the pane separators white. And weather it a little bit dirty on top. Another thing I'm going to do is these seams, fill them in, then paint the whole thing similar color white. Under here, since you can see in there really good, I'm going to paint this section to look like a floor. Maybe put in an extra piece of styrene so you can see a conveyor belt in there, since the windows are so big. For lighting this place, I might, on whatever side is facing towards me instead of the wall, just the staircase area, I'll probably put some styrene in there, block them off, and have it so they light up. But yeah, this is the grain elevator. Looks pretty much like the picture. when I ended up gluing these long sides together, what I did is I put some rubber glue down in the seam, held them together, pinched them, and as that was drying, I took some plaster strip on the inside and dabbed it in one little place, held it till it dried, so it acted like its own little clamp while the regular glue is drying, and just did that all the way down. And I got some really tight seams, so it shouldn't need a lot of fixing. But interesting build. If I were to do this again, I would probably just make this part out of regular flat styrene myself and just use some PVC tubing. But I like the kit. Okay, now we'll get back to some photos.